Hi guys, so I was there in Indian Idol and I had worn this sari. A lot of you actually loved this sari and have asked me, how do you wear a sari which has frills like this? So I'm going to share how you drape the sari. It's a very easy process and I think a lot of you go wrong in making pleats. Okay, let me not talk about this. Let me show you how you drape the sari. Here I've just done my basic tuck. Now this is the fabric with which I'm going to make my lower pleats. How I'm going to do it is just this, hold this and 1, 2 and so on till you get all your pleats. This finishes this side. Always remember, it always finishes inside, okay? You take this and then just dust. Okay, I know you will have this problem. You know, your first pleat will never align because it's got frills, in the end. Now, how do you do that? I'm going to share. Once, let me tuck this inside. So here I've tucked in my sari. As of now, the pleats are falling perfectly in place. But when you start walking, they go a little haywire. And there is a perfect way to tame them. Let me just put this on my shoulders and show you how you can do that. So this goes on. So yes, this is done. If you want, you can leave this loose like this. Looks very dramatic. It looks very beautiful. Well, I pleated it on the stage because I had to do some drapes. So if you want to do that, you can even pleat it. It even looks prettier if you pleat it. See, like this. You have all your frills here. I haven't pleated it neatly. Just roughly I'm showing you. You can pleat and wear it also. Some people have this perception that, if we are going to pleat it, it won't look nice, but it looks nice any which ways you wear because the sari has so much of drama. Today I'm going to wear it like this, but the problem, okay, let me show you the problem first. So this, when you're going to walk, it just moves towards this side. So the right way to tame this is bring both together, flip it, and then hold the borders together like this and attach a pin here. And then just let it go down. Look at this. So what basically is happening is your first pleat is falling straight. When your first pleat is falling straight, the rest pleat will also fall in place. So now this is how it looks. And I'm loving it. And yes, look when I'm walking. I'll show you. Walking. It looks so pretty. So thank you so much, Abu Sandeep, for sending this sari to me. It is such a beautiful sari. And it is so easy to drape. And it has all the drama that was required for Indian Idol show.